Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install GitHub Actions Runner on a VPS for self-hosted builds, complete guide step by step clearly. To install GitHub Actions Runner on a VPS for self-hosted builds, begin by accessing your virtual private server. Log into your VPS using SSH. Update your package manager to ensure you have the latest software. Install any necessary dependencies, such as curl or git, if they aren't already installed. Create a directory for your GitHub Actions Runner. Navigate to the newly created directory. Go to the GitHub repository where you want to set up the self-hosted runner. Click on the Settings tab of your repository. Locate that Actions section in the left sidebar and click on Runners. Select the option to New Self-Hosted Runner. Follow the instructions displayed, starting with downloading the runner application. Use the provided link to download the runner package to your VPS. Once downloaded, extract the package using the command for your operating system. Navigate into the extracted runner directory. Run the configuration command provided in the setup instructions. You will need to paste your GitHub repository's URL and the token generated during the configuration. Complete the prompts as they appear on your screen. After configuration, you can start the runner using the command specified in the setup instructions. To ensure that the runner automatically starts after a reboot, install the runner as a service. Use the command to run the service installation process. Once installed, start the service and verify that it is running properly. Return to your GitHub Actions settings to confirm that the runner is listed as online. Test the runner by triggering a workflow in your GitHub repository. Monitor the logs for any errors or issues that may surface during the build process. If any issues arise, consult the logs and troubleshoot accordingly. With these steps completed, your GitHub Actions Runner is now set up and ready for self-hosted builds. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.